Hey guys, we're gonna do a review on this really cool talking chef plush made by Fun for All from the show South Park. This thing was made in 2002, same year as Cartman and Kenny. Hope you can see this right. If it's not, that's okay, cause pretty sure there's other videos and pictures out there. Anyways, let's see the things he says. Anyways, that is all we got for this, and this is like probably slightly bigger than the other four boys. And I don't have the Professor Chaos Butters yet, but I will get it someday. Anyways, that is all we got today. Please subscribe for more content.